Welcome to Evergreen Landscape, a place where nature breathes and life unfolds in its purest, most vibrant form. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey. A journey into the skies, across forests, over rivers, through valleys and mountains, to explore a realm alive with color, rhythm, and flight. This is the diverse world of colorful birds. In the vast canvas of the natural world, birds are among the most captivating and enchanting creatures. Each species, a brushstroke of color and song, each wing beat, a whisper of the wild. Birds are everywhere, from the steamy rainforests of the Amazon to the icy cliffs of the Arctic. From quiet backyard gardens to the heart of untamed jungles. They live among us, soaring above, nesting below, and singing in every corner of the earth. But among them, some stand out even more. Not because they are louder or larger, but because they are living rainbows. Yes, we're talking about the colorful birds of the world. Their feathers shimmer in red, yellow, blue, green, often all at once. Their presence is like living jewels moving through the trees and sky. Let us begin deep in the tropical forests of South America. Here, the air is thick with moisture and mystery. Bright red and blue macaws glide across the jungle canopy, calling to their mates with powerful voices. Nearby, the toucan perches on a twisted branch, its massive, colorful beak glowing in the filtered sunlight. In the heart of the Indian subcontinent, the majestic peacock dances in monsoon rain. Its tail, a burst of green, gold, and sapphire. This dance is not just for beauty, it's a powerful display of love, a ritual passed down through generations. Travel north to the forests of Japan, where the mandarin duck swims quietly on a still lake. Its feathers look hand-painted, orange like autumn leaves, blue like mountain streams, and white like snow. Nature, it seems, has no limit to her imagination. Colorful birds are more than just beautiful. Their colors tell stories. In many cases, bright plumage is used to attract mates, a sign of health, strength, and genetic perfection. Other times, colors are used to hide. Yes, even the brightest birds can disappear into a sea of flowers, leaves, or shadows. Some birds mimic the sounds of their surroundings, like the incredible lyrebird of Australia. who can imitate the calls of other birds, camera shutters, even chainsaws. Its song is a mix of voices from the forest, a true soundtrack of the wild. Then there's the bee-eater, often seen in Africa and Asia. A slim bird with glowing green and golden feathers, catching insects mid-flight with precision and grace. Or the kingfisher, a tiny predator, diving headfirst into a stream, emerging with a silver fish shining in its beak. Each bird is perfectly adapted to its home. High in the Andes, the hummingbird flutters its wings over 80 times per second. Hovering like a tiny drone, feeding on nectar with a needle-like beak. They are nature's pollinators, and one of the only birds that can fly backward. But behind the beauty lies a challenge. Many of these stunning creatures are under threat. Deforestation, urban development, pollution, and climate change are destroying habitats faster than ever before. As forests shrink, so do the homes of birds. Species that once soared across vast landscapes now fight for survival. That's why it's not just enough to admire them. We must protect them. We must protect the forests, the wetlands, the grasslands, the earth itself. Because when the birds disappear, we lose more than sound and color. We lose balance. We lose a part of ourselves. Birds have always been part of human culture. They appear in stories, art, myths, and music, symbols of freedom, hope, and rebirth. Perhaps we admire birds because they do what we cannot, they fly. They rise above the world, untethered by borders or boundaries. In their wings, we see what it means to be truly free. Every time we hear a bird sing, every time we look up and see color move through the sky, it is a reminder that nature is alive, watching, singing, and waiting for us to care. So let us take a moment to celebrate them, to respect their world, to honor their songs, and to share their stories with the next generation. Because the diverse world of colorful birds is one of Earth's most precious gifts. Let's cherish it, let's protect it, and let's never stop being amazed. Thank you for watching Evergreen Landscape. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stunning wildlife documentaries. There's always more to discover right here, where nature speaks.